awesome. Let's go.
Ooh, let's look. Why did it look so nice?
Love it too. It's mommy and daddy anniversary.
Thank you, Mom.
Aww, that's so
Thank you, Mommy.
Daddy is strong. Yeah?
Weak like a rat.
Go forward.
Weak like a rat dance.
Now jump. Go.
Pizza.
Yes, guys, our anniversary. 9 good years.
20.
29?
No, 19. And 19 years we're talking. They're gonna be so surprised. But this was our last minute. You guys will see. So we went somewhere in the summer. We went to America and we don't know money. So we said we not do nothing. But the closer the time come, we said we have to do something. So come with us, guys. Wish us happy anniversary down in the comment section. Okay.
And I think we're all red.
We're red. So, Carol, how you feel?
Giving away all this stuff to people in need.
You feel to give away all the stuff because people need them. Tell the young fam how you feel. How you feel? A little bit sad. Why do you feel sad? Cause what?
I just
You don't want to what?
I don't want to give away stuff.
The what? Which stuff you don't want to give away?
We ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
We ice cream and we cakes.
So we can give away everything else?
Yes.
Okay, but you don't want to give away the ice cream and the cake.
Yes.
Alright. So how do you feel giving away everything else but the ice cream and the cake? So, huh? You feel happy about that? Okay.
Great, good boy.
Carrie said he don't want to give away ice cream and cake. He doesn't want to give away the ice cream and the cake. But people want ice cream and cake too, Carol. Alright? Alright. And they will be happy. So we will be happy too. Okay? Not far off, literally probably 10 minutes away, right baby? Vacation, Carol. We just say we not go on a vacation.
On your side.
No, Carol, why did we say vacation? I remember we go to a vacation like this. Yeah, it looks like that. It's 2020. Was that 2020? Yes.
People in my ear.
What do you mean people?
Like remember last time the beach, the pool and the vehicle, we alone, but the sun is nice. So I wonder if people we have company this time, you know.
Alright kids, come on.
Come. We are going to give. Oh shit. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, carry us closer.
Let's go.
Ooh, let's look. Why did it look so nice? Where's your mommy?
Remember last night? That writing a picture was so cute.
Whoa!
Shoes off.
Shoes off.
Where are we?
Basket, huh?
Oh, there's something.
What's happening here? What's happening? Carol, Araya, what's happening? Can you tell me what's happening right here? What happened? What do you think is happening right here?
At vacation.
We're at vacation! How you guys feel? Can you believe it? Did you guys know that we were coming to vacation this year though?
No.
Okay.
So why did you say we were given that?
Because we wanted to surprise you guys. This is a surprise reaction?
Yes.
So fam, yes, we are here. This is the second time. We loved it, so we're back. We are back, we are back, we are back. Right, I'm gonna show you guys. They put a TV in there?
Yes.
Wow!
Come, another TV.
This is nice. Last year they didn't have these chairs and they didn't have a TV. We said the place nice, but the only thing they're missing was a TV, and it looked like somebody. What? Wow! Great.
And another TV.
Yes.
Of everything with TV. I gotta see it. Where's Daddy?
All right. So fam, let me put out a few items.
Yeah. Whoa! This is one
You know, we're gonna put away the cakes. These are the cakes, guys. Carissa never want kids with. Black Forest. Carissa, everything but these. Yes. I'm gonna show you guys a quick little pineapple. One thing, let me see.
Mommy, you do not even need to. You didn't need sauce because come, we have it.
Okay. Oh, the apple noodles. Fam, look here. We left our noodles last year and them have them. They have them. Alright. Leo, you know so they have a noodle in there, sir? We left it last year and then so in here we leave it. I never out there, so everybody will come after, come and use the noodle here.
Most likely.
Alright, kids, stay over there. Let me show them. Turn on the lights.
So, Mommy, I like it.
I love it too. It's mommy and daddy anniversary.
Thank you, Mommy.
Aww, that's so
Thank
nice.
you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
We will
kids.
never leave.
No, we'll leave it on Sunday. Alright, fam. Turn on the light. Look at me. Look at let me give you a quick run through of the place, alright? Fam, this is, we have neighbors. Last year it was just we alone. People in the pool. That's so cool. Right? So we have friends this year, right? Last year it was so lonely, only us alone. So this is the kitchen. It's our vacation home. It's at 1 Canal Point. All that you need and more. So fam, this is the kitchen. And I love it, right? God, please bless me with a home like this. And it's have a washer and a dryer. Last year we forgot these for 1 year. Can you believe that they still have them? Right? And all the family that came after us got a chance to use it. Right? So this is the living area. It's really huge, right? And this is the view that we have. We usually have breakfast right out here. So we usually have breakfast right here, right? That's the view of the canal. Nice. Let's close it. This is the kids' room. So this is the kids' room. This is where the kids are going to be staying. This is the kids' view. Right? Let's open it. That's the view. So nice. So relaxing. And they have a TV. Alright, so the kids have their closet. And they have their bathroom, although they will be using ours. Alright. And over here is our room. So this is our room. Right? And this is the view. Right? So that's the view of the canal.
Daddy, Mommy and Daddy can see over here.
Yes. And this is the one mirror I love so much. And this is our closet. So this is what this looks like. Right? This is the bathroom with the double sink. I don't know why this is showing black and white from here, but and the shower. And my favorite part, I wasn't a tub girly, but I became a tub girly. Sorry for the black and white, I'm not sure what's going on there. Alright. And this is the room again. Look here, Leo. Let me show you something.
Alright, you close my door, please.
What's it?
They move something like that, sir? Oh, them still have this thing, fast entry. Where?
Come now.
Maybe.
At the fridge. Push. Look here.
Oh, so they put TV in every room now.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
What
This was always here, no?
This never, Leo. And then put 2 chairs. Remember last year, man, we were saying nice, but the only thing is that how they must have TV in the room. So it seems as if somebody came and somebody gave their review, so they got TV and put in the room there. So it plays nice, but we can not understand why TV never in our room. And more time we other start try watch movie, Leo, and more time we come in. We're too tired, so we just come in, come sleep. Now we can drop asleep watching movie. Or trying to watch movies, Ilya, at least. I love it. Ilya? That place is nice. So they actually... They have games. Wow. And they have books. They have What I have? What can I give? Scrabble. Me no know if we play that. Taboo. What is a taboo? The game of unspeakable fun. Categories. The classic quick wit category games. So we have games and even the card. That's so cool. Carol, no popcorn.
I want to eat.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
I want chips.
Which chips?
Chip ahoy.
One of the
Chip. No.
Want to buy?
Yeah.
So fam, we decided to give you guys a quick tour of the premises. Last year this time, guys, I can clearly remember that the rain was drizzling and we attempted to show you guys the premises, but the rain was falling, so we had to show you the following day. This time around, the sun was nice weather, people. Love that for us. One thing that I do not really fancy about Cayman is that they don't have any all-inclusive hotels. However, the hotels are magnificent, but you have to pay for everything. I miss that experience, fam. But the boutique hotels, the Airbnbs, even the large hotels are really grand. They're really beautiful. But I just hope that even one hotel over here, try and implement that all-inclusive experience, especially for the locals.
Alright, so this is the jerk place. Last year we wanted to use it, but rain was falling, so we took it off our agenda. Right? Yes. And there are several pools. This is just one of them. Elia? How will you do? We have one at the front too, and the jacuzzi don't. Although we may also stay.
Jacuzzi at the front? I know the front.
Where is it? I don't know. This is a big pool.
Remember the one in it?
Yeah.
Was it that one? Was it here?
No man, there was a jacuzzi probably on that side
Where was the front?
by itself. But it wasn't working properly. But this is nice. We'll be coming down here. Yes, this was our favorite one. Elio?
I don't can't see no jacuzzi. Over this side.
No, I'm saying the jacuzzi is probably beside the big pool. But we can't see it. We have to go there to see it. This was our favorite one. Yes,
But now it's too silent.
it's fine.
No! We do not. No, we do not. Our swimming clothes.
No, we're here to take. Come, Mariah and Cara, go in front of Daddy and Mommy could jump on Daddy's back. Come. Daddy is strong. Yeah?
Weak like a rat.
Go forward.
Weak like a rat dance.
Now jump. Come Turn road. Vegetables are already mac and saltfish. Made it this morning.
What's his name?
I'm
Scrub?
gonna eat it for brunch and for dinner. We're gonna be making land and sea. I'm gonna make my garlic. Oh no! I forgot my lemon lobster. I forgot my garlic. Leo, guess what we forget? We forget garlic. We forget garlic. We carry the thyme, we carry the butter. But we forgot the garlic. So we're gonna make butter salmon and lemon lobster. Because we forgot one of the main ingredients, which was the garlic. We take up we literally take out the onion and we forget the garlic. And you know where the weirdest thing, we take up the garlic, you know, I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. But dinner is gonna be great. We're gonna make a do with what we have. We're gonna make our steak and our mashed potatoes with my lobster and my corn and my mashed potatoes. The food is gonna be tea. It's gonna be fire. It's gonna be 10 out of 10. With or without garlic. They all like how we have neighbor. We should have go ask the neighbor then for piece of garlic. Really up? 4 more. Let's see. So I'm at it 4. Don't mind the shape. I'm doing 4 more. Then I'm going to do 4 more. to do. Last year we didn't get opportunity to do so. But we're doing so this time around. On the first day had tomorrow. Or we can go over there. Leo, me want picture. So one time I go home, me have memories. It smell like the one. Second Arab video. Carol, take off your clothes. Leo, take two pictures. I'll take you back soon.
Come, Carol.
Alright, come back. Come. You swimming. You coming? Carol, is it okay? You're swimming like a fish. You're swimming like a fish? Alright.
Come, Carol. Let's see the boat.
Look, there's a dead bee. Not a mini bee.
A dipsy, not a
I thought that the water was warm.
It's warm.
Not warm.
It's warm.
You know, cool, but you know, warm water like literally.
Go back on it.
You know.
Good.